Dear friends, welcome to Zhejiang Yueshi New Material Co. Limited. Our company was established in 2010 and is located in Haining, Zhejiang Province. We are a professional medical packaging manufacturer. Now let's start our tour to see how the high-quality medical composite films are made. This is part of our warehouse, supported by intelligent inventory management for timely delivery. Here's our lamination workshop. We adopt solvent-free bonding technology to make the product more environmentally friendly. We also insist on using imported adhesives to ensure a more stable product peel strength. Our high-speed slitting machines achieve efficiency and accuracy with real-time inspection to guarantee consistent specifications. This lab is our quality core. We have full testing equipment and online quality inspection system, ensuring our product meets high standards. We use shock-proof, moisture-proof packaging and offer customization. All goods are carefully loaded for safe delivery. That's our tool. Thank you. We look forward to cooperating with you and welcome your further inquiries.